So the IELTS Writing Test 2 section requires you to write an essay of 250 words minimum. But the thing is, you may be given 7 different essay question types, and every single question type has a completely different essay format you need to follow. So in order to get a high band, you need to know how exactly to format every single essay question type, because you don't know which one you will be given on exam day. So for the advantages and disadvantages question type, you are required to discuss both the advantages and the disadvantages. So you need to make sure that when you discuss the advantages in your essay, you need to write the advantages in one paragraph and the disadvantages in another paragraph, because you must write in the most clearest and concise manner so the examiner doesn't have a difficult time trying to understand your essay, because it flows in a good order. So have a look at how exactly you should be structuring this particular question type. In paragraph 1, you need to write an introduction. Paragraph 2, you should write your advantages. Paragraph 3 should be your disadvantages, and then followed by paragraph 4. So when you are discussing your advantages and disadvantages, you need to make sure that you back up your main ideas with supporting ideas, meaning you need to have evidence of why these are advantages and why these are disadvantages. So just remember that your essay has to be a minimum of 250 words, and I would say go for a maximum of 275 to 300 words. The reason why I recommend this is because it's not about the quantity and how many words you have written. Actually, it's about the quality of your essay and how clear and concise you have wrote it. In university, this is all we're taught, is to write the less words possible, getting your point across. So if you want to get a high band, make sure you follow this exact maximum sentence structure. So your introduction should be a maximum of 4 sentences, followed by your first body paragraph should be a maximum of 4 sentences. Your second body paragraph should also be a maximum of 4 sentences, followed by your conclusion, which should only be 3 sentences maximum. So for the agree-disagree essay question type you may be given, you must either agree with a reason or disagree with it. For this question type, you have to either agree or disagree. You cannot choose both sides and write one paragraph of why you agree and one paragraph of why you disagree. It's either agree or disagree. So once you choose a side, you must be able to back up your points by giving supporting ideas throughout paragraphs 2 and 3. So you must have some main ideas, and then you have to give supporting reasons of why you actually agree to this point or disagree with it. So the exact format for an agree-disagree question type is, in paragraph 1 is your introduction. Paragraph 2 is the first reason of why you agree or disagree. Choose one side, and one side that you have a strong belief of more than the other, because also in paragraph 2, you are going to write why you agree or disagree in paragraph 2 as well, but it has to match the paragraph 3. And then the conclusion is in paragraph 4. So let's talk about how many sentences each paragraph should include. So your introduction should be a maximum of 4 sentences. And then your first body paragraph should be 4 sentences maximum. Then followed by your second body paragraph, which should be 4 sentences maximum. Followed by your conclusion, which should be 3 sentences maximum. So cause and effect question type is pretty much about 2 things and how one thing makes the other thing happen. So you need to make sure you explain based on the question you are given, and you need to make sure that you have a proper structure that you follow so the examiner doesn't have a difficult time following your essay and trying to understand what you are trying to say. So you need to make sure that in paragraph 1, you write your introduction. Paragraph 2 should be about the cause. Paragraph 3 should be about the effect. And then paragraph 4 should be your conclusion. So guys, if you like the information you are hearing in this video so far, then make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn that notification bell on so you are notified when I put videos out on this channel every Friday. So with the cause and effect essay type, you need to make sure that you write a minimum of 250 words. So in order to do this, you need to know what exactly to write sentence for sentence. So I've made this easy for you by creating an IELTS Writing Test 2 template guide where you are able to learn what exactly you should be including in paragraph 1. Paragraph 2, paragraph 3, so on and so forth for all the different question types you may see. And you don't know which question you are going to get on exam day. So it's extremely important that you study every single essay structure so you have an idea of how exactly you should format your essay and what to include in every single sentence. Check out my description box down below for this template booklet because I really think this will help you. So have a look at how many sentences maximum each paragraph should include. So your introduction should be a maximum of 4 sentences, followed by your first body paragraph, where you will be discussing the cause, which is 4 sentences also, followed by your third paragraph, which is you discussing the effects, which should also be 4 sentences maximum. Then finally, your conclusion should be a maximum of 3 sentences for the discuss both views and give your opinion essay question type. So for this question type, you must discuss both views and give your opinion. So depending on the question you get, you need to make sure that you structure your essay in the right format. So the exact essay format for the discuss both views and give your opinion essay question type is in paragraph 1 should be your introduction. Paragraph 2, you should be discussing the first side. Paragraph 3 should be discussing the second side. So paragraph 2 is side A, paragraph 3 is side B. Then paragraph 4 should be your opinion, and then paragraph 5 follows with your conclusion. You need to make sure you follow this essay structure properly because just remember the examiner will be marking you on how concise and clear your essay is written and how easy it was for him to follow along with your essay and all the ideas were connected properly. And just remember that the examiner will be marking you on how exactly your ideas flow to make the most sense. So you want to make sure you are able to write an essay that is written in the best order where you will be able to get a high band. So have a look at how many sentences should be included in each paragraph. In the introduction, you should have a maximum of 4 sentences. In your first body paragraph, you should also have a maximum of 4 sentences. Then your second body paragraph should also be a maximum of 4 sentences, followed by your opinion paragraph, which would be the 4th paragraph at this point, I believe, which should also have a maximum of 4 sentences, followed by your conclusion, which should have 3 sentences. Remember that you should stick to this guideline because this will help you get to the 250 minimum word limit. So a double question essay type actually asks you 2 questions and you need to answer 2 questions throughout your essay. So have a look at how exactly you should be formatting this question type. So in paragraph 1, you should have an introduction, and in paragraph 2, you should discuss the first question that is being asked, followed by paragraph 3, you should discuss the second question you may be asked. Then finally, your conclusion should be in paragraph 4. So when you are writing your essay for the double question essay type, you need to make sure that you include main ideas as well as supporting points for each main idea you discuss. So have a look at how many sentences should be included in every single paragraph. So for your introduction, you should have a maximum of 4 sentences, followed by your first body paragraph, which should also be 4 sentences maximum. Then your second body paragraph needs to also be a 4 sentences maximum, followed by your conclusion, which should only be 3 sentences maximum. So guys, if you like the information you are hearing today, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video, because I put out content every Friday on this channel, and I genuinely want to see all of you guys succeed on your IELTS exam. So an opinion essay is pretty much giving your thoughts or your opinion on something. So if the question asks for your opinion on something, you should make sure you structure your essay correctly to ensure that you could get your points across in the most concise and the most clearest manner, so the examiner does not have a difficult time following along with your essay. For an opinion essay, what you need to do is you need to back up your reasons and support your ideas. So the exact format of an opinion-based essay is: in paragraph 1, you should include your introduction, and then in paragraph 2, you must include your first opinion of what exactly your thoughts or your ideas are. And then in paragraph 3, you should include your second opinion, backing it up with 2 supporting ideas. And then in paragraph 4 should be your conclusion. So now that you know how exactly to format your opinion-based essay for your IELTS Writing Task 2 question, let's talk about how many sentences should you include in each particular paragraph. So your introduction should only be a maximum of 4 sentences. And then your first body paragraph should also be a maximum of 4 sentences. Your second body paragraph should be a maximum of 4 sentences. And then finally, your concluding paragraph should be a maximum of 3 sentences. So a problem and solution essay question type pretty much asks you to state the problem in your essay and then come up with a solution for that particular question that the examiner is asking you. So have a look at how exactly you should format your essay. So paragraph 1 should be your introduction. Paragraph 2 should be your problem. Paragraph 3 should be your solution, and then paragraph 4 should be your conclusion. So your introduction should have a maximum of 4 sentences, followed by your first body paragraph, which should also be a maximum of 4 sentences. Then your second body paragraph should also be a maximum of 4 sentences. Then finally, your conclusion should be a maximum of 3 sentences. So guys, if you like the information I'm providing you so far, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a like, because I put out videos every Friday on this channel and you don't want to miss this information.